everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Choma and I'm a passionate foodie who loves exploring different cuisines and flavors. On this channel, I'll be sharing delicious homemade recipes, food reviews, and culinary adventures from around the world. I have always been fascinated by how food brings people together, and I can't wait to share my cooking journey with you all. Kindly stay tuned. I will be uploading new videos every week, including cooking tutorials, restaurant reviews, and food challenges. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. And also kindly leave a comment in the comment section to let me know the kind of food content you would like me to post and you would also like to see. And today we will be making stir-fry spaghetti with Asun, popularly known as goat meat. Now let's get right into it. My pre-made marinade, add a small amount to the washed goat meat and massage thoroughly until well coated. Usually goat meat requires just a little seasoning to retain its original flavor. In my next video, I will share the recipe for my marinade, including all the ingredients and preservation tips. Now place the marinated goat meat on fire. Add your onion, salt, and seasoning powder to taste and steam for 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat. Add enough water to cover the meat and cook until it becomes tender and the water has almost dried up. Cover the pot and cook on medium heat. Once cooked, remove the meat and dice into smaller pieces. Ingredients for my stir-fry spaghetti are cooked and diced goat meat to the size I want, sliced cabbage, garlic paste, crayfish, habanero pepper mixed with shepherd pepper, also known as tatache and rodo, chopped onion, seasoning powder and salt, vegetables, carrots and green beans, my choice of spaghetti, preferably larger strands, broth for extra flavor, and vegetable oil. Now let's get right into it. Heat some vegetable oil in a pan. Meanwhile, boil water for the spaghetti. Add a little oil to prevent it from sticking together and salt to enhance the taste. Then add the spaghetti to the boiling water without breaking it, ensuring it stays intact while stirring. Cover the pot to boil and then saute the onion in the heated oil until translucent. Keep an eye on the spaghetti, loosening it with a spatula to prevent sticking. Stir gently to avoid breaking the strands of the spaghetti. Then cover the pot to continue boiling. Now add the garlic paste to the pan and fry briefly to release its flavor. Stir in the ground crayfish, frying lightly to avoid burning or turning black. Then add the pepper mix and fry for 5 to 7 minutes. Continue stirring to prevent burning. And also check the spaghetti to ensure it is cooked and separated. Cover the pot. Add salt and seasoning powder to the pan and stir everything together. Now go in with your diced goat meat. and give it a good fry or medium heat before adding the broth. Continue to fry the meat to avoid it from getting burnt. Until it becomes well fried, and then go in with your broth to release flavor and extra oil into the pan. Stir together and add your vegetables. Stir together again until well combined. Now gradually going with the spaghetti. Mix together and keep stirring until well combined and slightly fried. While stirring, ensure the strands are not breaking in pieces. Then go in with your broth, goat meat broth, and then stir it together again. Taste for salt, and then cover the pot to cook for a few minutes. And finally, add the sliced cabbage for a crunchy texture. And stir everything thoroughly. Kindly hit the subscription button and turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video, please. Now cover the pan, turn off the heat, and let the residual heat finish the cooking process. Enjoy your stir fry spaghetti with Asun, and please subscribe to my channel and also leave a comment. Thanks for watching.